Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to make explosion text effect in CapCut. So here I'm using CapCut for PC, and for example I'm going to add this white background template, and I'm going to add text. Just click text, default text, and change the text. Okay, just change the colors that you like and resize. Okay, just export, click export, and delete this project and import that's created here. Just drag to the track, and you can click effect, and here's explosion effect and nature effect. So just drag here, adjust for duration and speed, atmosphere like this. So here we go. Okay, that's how to make explosion text effect in CapCut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe, and you can click thanks button for appreciation. Sure, thanks. Bye bye.